All right, so the other day I got a crazy deal for a new exhaust for the car, as you can see here. But this isn't the first time I've had an exhaust on the car. If I can find it, I'll put in a sound clip right here of what it used to sound like. So obviously that was just way too loud. So I put the stock exhaust back on, which sounds like this. And then today we're gonna be putting this thing on, which is gonna sound like this. So, like I said, this isn't my first time doing this. So I'm gonna jack the car up, take this off, and just get started. All right, first I'm gonna start by taking the diffuser off. And I think a bunch of the clips are missing. Per usual anyway, it should be easy to take off. Diffuser's off. Just, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 push pins in the bottom here. Next up is taking the exhaust off. I don't think I told you guys, but the reason why I took the diffuser off is because it makes it a lot easier to take this hunk of meat out. And below, say hello to my exhaust leak right here. This thing is the worst. Can't see it, I'll show you guys once I'm done, but there is a broken bolt on the other side, so I do have a new one, thankfully. And this part's actually not that fun. It's also not that hard, but it's not fun. Gotta unbolt these, and then there are hangers on both sides. I think there might be 2 on both sides, or 3 total, but I'm gonna get going, unbolt these, unbolt those, and drop this bad boy down. All right, stock muffler's out. Caused a little bit of trouble. As always, these stupid hangers just get caught up, but I gotta transfer 2 of these onto these, and then it's time to put this back on. Same thing, reversal. Just mounting these back up onto the car, and then mounting these back up too. Also, here is that broken bolt I was talking about. Huge exhaust leak. All right, as you can see, it's pretty dark now. I had to run to Home Depot real quick to buy some nuts. As you can see, there's a fresh nut right here. The reason why I got this, these are some box nuts that are just built in to the hanger, or to the this flange on the stock exhaust. And I guess the exhaust I had previously also had that built in, but for those that have an exhaust like this that you need another nut for, the size is M8 by 1.25. So now that I bought 4 of these, I'm gonna bolt pretty much just these back in because that's all that was left, and we can get the first start. All right, so I got everything bolted back up. Diffuser obviously not back on yet, but I did tighten everything up. So this is gonna be the first start. I'm gonna start it up and check to see if there's any exhaust leaks, and then button everything up. But it's nighttime, so whatever. All right. All right, so I'm all done with the install. Diffuser's back on, the exhaust is all bolted up, but damn, look at those tips. Do not push out at all. I should get those fixed up by a muffler shop. But anyway, it's too late right now for me to go get sound clips, so the video is not gonna end here. I'll take this car out soon and go get some actual sound clips. That way this video just doesn't end up like this. All right, so here's a couple rev clips.